In this lecture, we will install the VMware Player together. So let's find the exe file of VMware Player setup. I have collected my files which I have downloaded in the previous lecture here. I created a folder named Downloads and you see my files. Double click on the setup file to get started. Next, accept, check next. I will deselect this, but that's up to you. I can simply click finish to complete this process, but keep in mind, if there's a problem during the setup process, especially regarding the VMware services, try disabling virtualization in the BIOS menu of your computer. First disable it, install this VMware Workstation Player, and then go back to BIOS again. Of course, you should reboot your computer first, and then enable it, then you'll be fine. Let's click finish to complete the setup.